What if the loudest mysterious sound ever recorded on Earth came from deep beneath the ocean? In 1997, scientists monitoring the Pacific Ocean captured a strange and powerful underwater sound known as the bloop. It was recorded by hydrophones operated by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, and the sound was so powerful that sensors nearly 5,000 kilometers apart detected it. Its unusual pattern quickly sparked theories that it might have come from an unknown giant sea creature. Years later, scientists studied the data and concluded the most likely source was a massive icequake, icebergs cracking and breaking apart in the remote waters near Antarctica. Even today, the mysterious bloop remains one of the most fascinating sounds ever recorded from the depths of our oceans. Do you think the bloop was natural or something unexplained? If you love hidden history, subscribe. I post daily.